What's up, guys? David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at this beautiful, beautiful mansion in Los Olas in Fort Lauderdale. Oh wow, you guys got to see this. But today's Supercar Saturday. They moved it to Pembroke Pines, so we're going to be going to the Pembroke Pines Shopping Center. I forgot the actual name of it, but yeah, let's. You know what? Let me just show you the cars. GTR, already off to a great start. What's going on, brother?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
What's up, big dog?
What's up, Will?
Good morning. Good morning.
She's somewhere. She's somewhere. I don't know. Look at this. It's like this. It's like a GT3 RS and like this flat chalk. Never seen that before. Lamborghini Aventador, GT2 RS.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful home. Right here on the water. Jeez, that's the Intracoastal right there. I think I remember the name of this color now. It's Arancio August, I think. Let's take a look at this this view right here. What's up, dude?
How you been?
Pretty good.
Oh.
Let's try that again. Boom, there you go. Look at this view, man.
Dude, it's amazing. I've never even seen this part of Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, this is a nice part of Fort Lauderdale. And then you have a house right there, and you got all the cars laid out. The place has a fountain. I mean, jeez. All right, let's get back to the cars. Target S. Oh, there's an 911R. Okay. Some brave, intelligent soul is taking his 911R. Thank you for driving it. Thank you for not letting it rot in a personal museum known as a garage. This is awesome. What else we got? What else we got? Huracan, GT3 RS, Viper. All right.
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? Okay. GTR. Is this? I think this is Betty's car, possibly. No, because I don't. This isn't a Spider. So, Volcano Red, with a carbon fiber hood. I think that's the. Might be from 1016 Industries. Very nice. Look at that strip of carbon fiber down the middle, on the roof. Ooh, this is my buddy's new 488 Pista. Look at this thing. This thing is fast. Twin turbo V8. It's got the S duct right there. You can see all the way down into it. Look at this. Really special aero back here. You got this big scoop. Well, it scoops the air up, but it's really a wing. I know. It's not a scoop. That is a scoop right there. Scoops the air up. I guess they use this for the intercooler, for the intakes, whatever. Actually, the intercoolers, you see if they're visible.
Oh, okay.
They're actually in those boxes there. So you can't really see them because it's black and everything in the engine bay is black, so everything just kind of blends in. But you know what I'm talking about. It's right there. All right, so round is underway. Everyone's getting ready to go. My Miata's still getting work done, so still haven't gotten the engine back. So I actually brought the truck. So what am I gonna do? So there we go. So I'm not actually participating in the rally because I can't keep up in the truck. Oh, there's a few more cars here that I didn't see at first. Look at this beautiful Camaro. Really nice. Beautiful M4. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? All right, guys, we're here with George and his McLaren. This is a 570S, isn't it? Yeah, beautiful 570S. It's burnt orange, and we're gonna rock and roll. So, rally's getting underway. Everybody's getting in the cars, getting ready to go, and we're gonna have some fun. Not today. Oh yeah. Not today. right, made it. So, here at Supercar Saturday. Make sure I didn't lose my phone, wallet, keys. All right, made it. We're here. So, look at this. Got a Ventura Spider already. A lot of nice cars. All the guys from the rally are showing up. My hair's all messy from the wind blowing around, but we're here. Supercar Saturday, Pembroke Pines. Let's have some fun. What'd you say? I don't need a haircut. What's up, Don?
What's up, Poppy? What's up, brother? How you doing?
What's going on? You say I need a haircut?
Yeah, you know.
I don't know. I disagree. I think it's great. Boom, there you go. Beautiful Carrera GT, all silver. Manual with the wooden shift knob. You can't really see it because it's tinted glass, but you got center lock wheels. One of the first electronically adjustable spoilers. Goes down when you're going slow, goes up when you need the downforce. Really nice, really nice. Over here, we got Brian's Ford GT. Seen it a million times. Beautiful every time. Oh, okay. We got the Camaro Zl1. Looks like it's got, I think it has the 1LE package, that track package. It's got the high mounted wing. It's got the dive planes, the cannons up front for keeping the front end planted to keep it down. And they actually serve a second purpose. These dive planes, they actually help to direct the air around the tire instead of hitting the tire directly. And that actually improves, it reduces drag and reduces lift. Jesus, it is hot outside. Sweating like some onions in a pan. So right here is just this big lineup of GTRs. I guess the GTR club must have made an appearance, but we got this white GTR that's GTR 35 mic. Or is it? Yeah, GTR 35 mic. We got a black GTR. Let's see, this is an Alpha 12X, 1200 horsepower. Jesus. I guess that's Betty? Yeah, there we go. Betty just showed up in her 720S Spider. Another black Alpha 7 right there, 700 horsepower. So I think I got this right. So the number is the horsepower times 100 that it's got. So Alpha 7, 700 horsepower. Alpha 12, 1200 horsepower. So that must be obscenely fast. Acura Nsx rolling in. There you go. First gen. While I'm walking over there, I just had like a cup of coffee, so I'm like super wired right now. But let's check out these GTRs over here. Here we go. We got the Dazzle wrap. So Dazzle was like this camouflage put on ships to try to break up the image of the ship to make it. It's kind of camouflage to make it harder to hit with torpedoes and stuff. Over here we got another GTR all wrapped up. We got orange, grays, blacks. Really cool. So what do we got? The Extreme Graphics USA. I guess that's the company that did the wrap, and the company that probably owns the car. What is this? Is this an Exo set? Now see here, it says MX-5. It's got the wing. It's got this cage thing. It looks like an Aerial Atom, but it's not an Aerial Atom. So here we got, yeah, it's got a Miata cluster. Wow. Okay. Huh. What is this thing? ConstructionRacingGroup.com. It's got a mini battery right there. No passenger seat, just a Recaro racing seat. Slicks, some Hoosiers. Yeah, this must be 7K up front. Yeah, this is a Miata. This is an Exocet chassis. Holy crap. And I didn't think I'd ever see one of these out here. So yeah, as you can see the Miata control arm. It's got a 7K springs up front. What's it doing in the rear? Oh yeah, these are progressive springs too. 7K. I think I might have that wrong. This is, well, I have to look at that part number, but this is So what this is a tube frame chassis that you take your engine and drivetrain out of a Miata, and you drop this onto that, and it becomes a new car. So as you can see here, he's doing the custom Bilstein coilovers. So basically, the factory Miata suspension is in fact a coilover suspension. It's just not adjustable. So what people do, they buy brand new Bilstein dampers, and then they knock it out. They put their own spring perch. They put their own stuff together, and they make their own coils. It's really cool. So you have adjustable springs, adjustable dampings. In some cases, if you get that, and you're good to go. So I see he's got the energy suspension bushings, and this is pretty good. This is pretty cool. I bet this is probably made of fiberglass. It's got custom mirrors left and right. Complete two-frame chassis. So basically, it's a DIY Ariel Atom for maybe like, I don't know, a third the price, maybe less. Hey, there you go. Here's something that's not very common. This is a Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared. I think it's huge. Look at these huge tires, lifted up, carbon fiber fenders. Look at this, on an off-road machine. Look how tall this thing is. I mean, side exit exhaust right there. Look at that, G550 all the way up there, 4x4 squared. Look at this baby. Sweet. Can't even wait. This is the previous gen. I can't wait till they come up with like a new generation one. And look how tall this thing is. Look how much taller it is over this the C63S, over this 458. Very nice vehicle. Very nice vehicle. All right, so it's super hot outside, so we're chilling in the AC. We're here with Nico. What's up, Nico? Here in the DJ booth. We got the DJ set up here. Can I mess with something? Can I?
But the best part,
What can I mess with? What can I play with?
Fan.
Oh, the fan. We got the fan right here. There we go. Just. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a little too cold. That's perfect right there.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Fan right here.
Ready? Press play. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Press play.
Okay.
And then
okay.
take this. Now spin that back.
Toward me, like
that. Yeah.
Like that?
And that's what they're hearing out there.
Okay. Okay.
We're live.
This guy's a
Supercar
DJ.
Saturdays, Nico Nation. It's your boy Nico holding it down. Now you know. If you don't know, you just been told. Let's go. Ah.
So here we got Don. I'm gonna be riding with Don in the beautiful big black Aventador.
Oh, big black Aventador.
Oh yeah, Black Beast 3. So V12 is gonna be fast, 700 horsepower, and we're gonna be doing it on the Runs Rally. So I'm gonna get us some waters, and we're gonna rock and roll. Oh yeah, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Getting ready to go on the lunch run. This man was not revving. He would never rev. This man would never ever rev his engine. Oh yeah.
Florida 736 East, 1.5 miles.
You're gonna make another right?
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
All right. You know what? Let's see if the door's up. All right, we made it to top 42. We're here. So, got the all the supercars lined up perfectly. Look at this. And there's more, way more coming in. Look at that. 360. Right. Got Sydney over here directing traffic. Rancio Aventador. I rode in the black Aventador with Don, of course. Green AMG GTR. So we're gonna hop into the top 42. We're gonna get some food. All right, what's up? What's up? Here we got Jennifer. Jennifer, how was the ride here?
It was great. It was a great time.
Nice. Did you so you have a Boxster?
Yes, I do. Actually.
So Jennifer has a beautiful red Boxster. It's a 97 generation, right? Or
987, yeah, 97.1.
There you go. 97.1, and she was beating all the Ferraris, McLarens. She was driving so fast, just unbelievable.
No one can catch it. It's absurdly
Nothing can
fast.
catch up. It's so lightweight and just. Before I head inside just to get some food, we got a few beautiful cars here. We got this beautiful AMG GTR, this beautiful Toyota Sienna passing me by. Look at that thing. Look at the color on things. Beautiful. Come on. And right here, green Aventador, and we got a black rat rod back there. Check that out. All right, guys, lunch is over. We're leaving top 42, and so what's gonna happen now? I left the truck behind near Las Olas, so I'm gonna take a ride with Don. We're gonna get my truck and figure out what we're gonna do from there. All right, guys, so I'm here back at the truck. Day's over, heading home. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com for fittings, hoses, weld bungs, all kinds of cool stuff. We build fuel systems, and I'm heading home. So I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.